The business owner received a call early in the morning. One call that could have shut down his entire business. On the other end was the facility manager. His voice was unusually tense. Chetan, we have a serious situation. The previous night, heavy rain had poured across the city. A nearby road had recently been dug up for a water pipeline project. The excavated mud had blocked the natural flow of rainwater. Hour after hour, the rain continued. With nowhere else to go, the water began collecting around the surrounding buildings. One of those buildings belonged to a successful company. By dawn, their basement was completely flooded. Several expensive vehicles were standing in knee-deep water. But that wasn't what worried the facility manager. The company's data center was also located in the basement. Servers, storage systems, network equipment, everything was submerged. For a few moments, neither of them spoke. The facility manager was already imagining the worst. Website offline, emails down, employees unable to work, customers unable to reach them, days of disruption, maybe weeks. Then the owner finally spoke. His voice was calm. First, make sure everyone is safe. Arrange for cleaning and get the electrical systems checked. Then contact the IT maintenance team. The facility manager hesitated. But Chetan, what about our website, ERP system, files, and online services? The owner smiled. Don't worry. I'll call iTeknowlogy. They'll bring our systems online. Within a short time, the process began. Critical servers were restored in the cloud. Applications became available. Employees resumed their work. Customers continued doing business as usual. The phones didn't ring with complaints. Orders continued to arrive. The market never noticed anything had happened. A disaster had occurred, but the business kept moving. Years earlier, the owner had taken time to meet the experts at iTeknowlogy. Together, they put a plan in place to protect the company's critical systems and data through secure, automated backup solutions. At the time, it felt like just another business expense. Month after month, the system quietly did its job in the background. No one praised it. No one talked about it. It didn't help close a sale. It didn't bring in new customers. Most days, it was easy to forget it even existed. Yet, on that rainy morning, it became the most valuable asset in the company. Because standing in front of a flooded data center, the owner finally understood what he had really paid for. Not hard drives, not servers, not backup software. He had paid for continuity. He had paid for peace of mind. He had paid for the ability to keep serving customers when everything around him had gone wrong. And in that moment, the money spent over the years no longer looked like an expense. It looked like one of the smartest decisions he had ever made. Because while the servers were underwater, the business itself remained above water. The question is simple. If disaster strikes your business tomorrow morning, will your business continue, or will it stop and wait for recovery? Talk to iTeknowlogy, because backup is not about protecting data. It's about protecting everything you've worked so hard to build. Nobody expects a flood. Nobody expects a fire. Nobody expects a hardware failure. But every business owner must answer one question. If tomorrow becomes your worst day, how quickly can your business recover?